Okay, this is a CD case out of my customer. How to wrap a CD is very straightforward. It's about just a little bit bigger than the CD. That's an 11-inch. It's a tube. So let's seal on one side first. This is a 12-inch sealer. Just a quick pulse. You hear that impulse. Okay, that's a good seal. I hope I didn't cut this too small. Yeah, that's right. Okay, now I'm going to seal this edge. That's good. Now let's take out the excess. The seal time is probably about 1 second. Okay. I usually like to cut off the excess. You can wrap this Christmas gift. Okay. Now, unplug this one. Plug in the heat gun. Heat gun has two temperature settings, high and low. High and low. Put it on low. Alright, let's roll on this thing. Oop, I don't want to shrink too fast. Oh, that's good. Wow. Alright. Now, I want to burn your hand and ensure your hand is not in the way of heat gun. It's really hot. I think it's hotter than the blow dryer. Because I can put my hand in front of the blow dryer, but I can't put my hand in front of the heat gun. Okay. Alright, looks pretty good.